Alright guys, if you can remember in the previous video I showed that I broke the hood latch, and so I was having to use pliers to open my hood. So I bought the replacement cable. I'm going to replace it. So far I just pulled off this panel, and I'm going to take the tire off, because you got to take out the fender liner to get at the cable, which runs up under the rad support. Here's the cable, guys, if you were wondering. There's the part number. Alright, it's just two 10mm bolts in here that I'm going to take off. These are 10 mil. Alright boys, there you have it. So here's the new one. Obviously you're gonna have to start sticking it through from in there. I'm not going to tighten these right down just yet, so I can still adjust it. Alright, so just gotta put the fender liner back in. I'm gonna have to run over to Honda, grab some new tabs because I broke a few. Trying to get them out. Also, the little clip that holds the hood cable, I gotta get a couple of those. So there it is. I just gotta put the panel back on and we'll take a look. Alright guys, got the panel back on. Looking good. One more check. Fire. Got the fender liner back on. Missing a couple clips, which I'll have to go buy from Honda. Let's get the tire back on. Alright guys, there you have it. I replaced the hood cable. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you in the next one.